Hello everyone, today is a special covert mission to find the elusive Velocity Blue and White Indoraptor. It is part of the offspring of the Velociraptor, formerly known as Blue. Blue is the blue and white Velociraptor. It is almost an extinct creature. We know it is very angry. We think it's located on a remote location here in Winder, Georgia. We're going to try to sneak up on it. We heard it making its mating call late last night. We have a good idea of where it's bedding at, so we're going to try to sneak up on it best we can and try to tame and grab hold of this creature. Don't underestimate the Indoraptor. I've seen them cross this before. So I've been walking for about 3.2 miles so far. No sign of the Indoraptor. We've spotted his tracks on multiple occasions, but he seems to keep eluding us. He's very smart. The Indoraptor is very smart and very powerful. We must be very cautious. I was able to spend some time with some of the other Indoraptors that have come from its birthplace of Akins Ford and Wild Willies in Winder. I'm truly honored to be on the search for the great Velocity Blue and White Indoraptor. Did you hear that? Did you hear that? I think I just heard it. There it is. There it is. I've never seen something as magnificent. Oh. It just growled. I think we're in trouble. It just started up. I'm gonna see if I can get closer before we lose it. Now I'm going to show you a trick that I've learned how to catch these magnificent Indoraptors. Took a tag off the Ram TRX, so it has the scent Ram supercharged truck, the direct competitor of the Indoraptor. This should be good for bait. What a magnificent creature. One wrong move and it'll be gone. I have something for you. Velocity Blue Indoraptor. Hey, Velocity Blue Indoraptor. I know you're bother blue. Everything's gonna be okay. Everything. Retreat! 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 Okay, it's shut off. It's calm now. Nothing left of the TRX tag. I knew your brother Blue very well, Velocity Blue and White Indoraptor. I think that everything's okay. I think he knows who we are now. I think we are safe. What a magnificent creature. July 29th, 2022, mark it down, the greatest find of my career. Velocity Blue and White Indoraptor, only one in the whole entire country. Oh, today is a special day. I must say, the last time I got in an altercation with an Indoraptor, I had a tooth chipped off. His claw straight took it right off the bottom part. Got me really good right there too. I got lucky this time. Easy girl, easy girl. All right, what an extraordinary encounter we just had with the rare Velocity Blue and White Indoraptor. Such an incredible beast. I'm gonna call in my expert, Real Deal Neal, to tell you more about this special creature. Truly a one-of-one, unbelievable creature here behind us, y'all. This beast is too tough to tame, so you better come grab it. Let's review. Yes, I can't believe that Miguel found the Velocity Blue and White Indoraptor. What? Real deal. If you don't come down, he'll take you with one swipe. Oh, my bad, my bad. 2022 Akins Ford F-150, Oxford White and Velocity Blue Indoraptor. One of one, so legit. Look up front at this creature, how magnificent. So notice the grille, all agate black with the Velocity Blue and Oxford White pinstripes. Did the letters fully Velocity Blue, a unique creature with white inside the headlight, blacked out completely, white on your front bumper. That's usually just so basic, like just a regular dinosaur. Skid plate, black underneath. Even the surround of the fog light is done up in agate black. Heat extractor, all Oxford white with black on the side with the pinstriping. Truly unique. Side heat extractor done white. Mirrors completely white on even the connecting piece and everything around. So premium, so rare. Velocity blue. Fuel covert wheels, 20 by 10, -18 on a 325 60/20 BFG KM3 mud terrain tire. That stance on that mild to wild scale, oh my gosh, you know it's so unique, sticking out a good 3.5 to 4 inches. So we're a little past the mid-level range. I'm still shocked I'm right in front of this. Leveled on 36s, that 325 60/20, right at a 36 by 13 wide. A true legit setup. There's rigid rock lights under each of the wheel well. There's a power retracts. That makes me think of TRX. I still don't like the TRXs, y'all. Bed cover out back, along with the T-slot for above bed accessories. Now this rear, the INDORAPTOR, you know is so fast. So you're gonna see this a lot. Out back, a gate black with Velocity blue and Oxford white throughout on the F-150 and Raptor. That white detail makes it a one of one, just like these amazing taillight combinations. You know this is a rare breed. If you want something special as this, there's only one place you can go. Wild Willies at Akins Ford in Winder. A good shot at that stance out back has it so athletic and agile, just ready to shred whatever it wants. You know there's creature comforts and performance and amenities galore. Love the black leather seats. Raptor, baby. But this is not a regular F-150 or even a regular Raptor, y'all. INDORAPTOR. Velocity blue and Oxford white. Carbon fiber package. Now I know that I could take this on the black market and sell this for probably 6 or 7 million, but we're selling it here today for $116,000. A great value of such a rare and custom beast. The Velocity blue with the white and the agate black, it just hits totally different. This is a truly epic and almost extinct piece right here, y'all. We're gonna take this rare creature right here back to Akins Ford, put it inside. We have to cage it up essentially, y'all, or it'll run away again. But what, Miguel?
Don't forget to tell them about the car show.
Oh yeah. Don't forget about the Wild Willies Battle of the Builds car show, August 20th, 2022 at Akins Ford in Winder, Georgia. It's gonna be truly epic. You never know. This creature may even be there, y'all. Gotta come see us and check it out. Let's go drive this for a little bit and give you a few more shots before we have to go put it in its cage. What an amazing truck, y'all. All jokes aside, this truck truly is special, rare and unique with the Velocity blue accents. We did that thin blue line. All the people that protect us, we did a tribute Raptor for them and had, you know, thoughts and intentions of doing one with a white. And this is truly amazing to me, doing the complete letters in Velocity blue, leveling it out with a bigger wheel and tire combo with all the goodies as far as the convenience features that you need to enjoy everyday living in a Ford Raptor. Thank y'all so much for watching. Hit that subscribe button. A one-off covert wheel with one-off customizations throughout the entire vehicle. That EcoBoost engine, you know we got the Raptor R coming. You know we got some stuff up our sleeve for that. So stay tuned for more by hitting that subscribe button, and just know that we are the rare dealership, just like this rare vehicle. So hit us up, y'all. Peace out.